Hi everyone! Quick question. How long does it usually take you to manually count every device on a complex floor plan? Hours, right? With Drawer AI, we're talking minutes. Let me show you how our power device detection handles the most tedious part for you. I'll start by clicking Power Device Detection. While the AI is running, here's what's happening in the background. First, it scans the page to find every single device. Then, it groups them by visual similarity. Drawer AI is trained on thousands of drawings to accurately label power devices. Then, it compares grouped symbols to our extensive database. So if it recognizes a symbol, for example, a junction box, it can instantly classify the entire group. And the best part is that it only takes about 2 to 4 minutes. And there we go. 99% of my devices are detected and categorized. But we're not done yet. Drawer also connects your devices to their associated feature tags. Whether it's a specific mounting height or a special device type like USB, GFCI, or emergency, Drawer is able to identify and update these properties automatically. So where does all this data go? Everything is neatly organized in your takeoff pad. Here you can sort the data by customizing your columns exactly how you need them. Once you're happy with the results, just hit export, and within seconds you have a clean Excel spreadsheet downloaded and tailored to your exact needs. And just like that, Drawer AI eliminates another tedious task. No more manual device counting, just more time for what actually matters. Want to see what else you can do? Check out the link in the comments.